guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safira and in today's video I'm gonna be doing my very first perm rod set and I am so excited, so let's go. I'm starting with freshly washed and blown out hair, and for this set I'm using the Lotta Body foaming mousse. I've watched so many tutorials on perm rod sets and I've seen a lot of people use this mousse. My mom actually already had it in our hair product collection at home, so that's what I'll be using. First, I'm splitting my hair up into a smaller section at the back because that's the part that I'm going to be working on first. Then I take like 2 pumps of the mousse and applying it all over my hair, especially making sure that my ends have enough product on them. Then I take the perm rod and first I just wrap my hair around the rod a couple of times, trying to get the ends of my hair to lay as neat and flat as possible on the rod. And then I wrap and twist the rod around my hair at the same time. It's a little bit hard to explain, but it's easier just to watch what I'm doing so you get what I'm trying to say. So now I'm just repeating these steps all over my hair, and I'm gonna stop talking because this process is kind of repetitive and it's unnecessary for me to keep explaining the same thing over and over. So I'll be back when I finish putting the perm rods all over my hair.
Tell me when I beat you to pull up, you gon' shoot out while I spin. And like I'm drinking hot soulfish, I keep go for 8 hours, like catch a fish. Sushi, maki, living like London City, left the town. I can try to speed up, yeah, you know that. And when they free us, y'all gon' be a film. A Kodak, shoot me pouring right above the rim. Like Kodak, I've been dripping and running.
So I'm back, and after I finished filming the last clip, I used my blow dryer with the diffuser on for 2 to almost 3 hours, and after that it was pretty late, so I just went to sleep. And now it's time for me to unravel these things. It was so uncomfortable to sleep with all these perm rods in my hair, but hey, I did it and here we are today. Now taking the perm rods out is not that hard and kind of self-explanatory, so yeah. I'm just trying not to be too rough with my hair so I won't disturb the curl pattern too much, and that's pretty much it.
shade.
you can see that I'm using my blow dryer with the diffuser on, just to make sure that my hair is completely dry, mostly focusing on the curls in the front, since those sections were a little bit bigger than the ones in the back. And here I'm coating my hands in some argan oil, and I'm just pressing the oil in my hair and separating the big curls into smaller separate sections to create the volume and the fine curls that I want. And I was so happy with the way these curls came out, especially doing this set for the first time. I didn't know what to expect, but I absolutely loved it in the end. And it actually gave me a different look with the flexi rod, so that was cute. And my hair also felt super soft after using the mousse, but I still could feel the soft hold in my hair as well, so that's great. If somebody's there, then tell me, say my name, say baby I love you, say my name, sudden change, say my name, if ain't nothing changed, baby I love you, you ain't running, baby say my name, you acting kinda shady, better say my name.
That's a pretty big truck. Go on, look inside the car. Big enough to take these broken hearts and put them in it. Now I'm driving around, pulling out of the trunk, bleeding in. Every time the cops pull me over, they don't never see it. They never see it. And I got this black suit on, rolling around like I'm ready for a funeral.
And now I'm just fluffing my hair using my hands first, and I actually stretched the roots of my hair out a little bit since my hair shrank a lot and that wasn't really the end result that I was going for. So I just carefully stretched out my roots a little bit to get some more length back. used my pick to create some more extra volume at the roots, cause who doesn't like some volume in their hair? I do.
Wake up, you keep missing out, should've stayed up. He got blacklisted, should've paid up. Pound coins in the piggy bank, got saved up. Slept on the floor, never gave up. Now my ex-girl wanna kiss and make up. Man hate on the slide, got bait up. Got to Birmingham, I had to go straight up. Now they're like, wait up, hold on. SK level, that's so done. They wanna know how everything's sold out. Which website do your shoes get sold on? With a style like this, I can't go wrong. Put my clothes on, put my gold on. Thought that I was a victim, you were so wrong. Get sprayed up, you trying to roll when the show's on. Look at the girls in the line. Man, I got milks in love with the words that I rhyme. Even though I swear and I curse all the time. Saw me on the front cover of the magazine and she said that it's perfectly fine. Now she got the beats and the birds on the mind.
And that is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
It's so funny how quick they get rich then go broke. It's not a laughing joke. I'm just minding my business. No, we ain't watching anyone else. Wanna hate on me, that's useless. Truth is that you must hate yourself. Round here, everybody wanna be a millionaire so they can buy guns and smoke. It's so funny how quick they get rich then go broke. It's not a laughing joke. The new me learned from the old me. Stay low key, I still roll deep. Got a mind that you talk to. Man wanna jump on the waves, don't even get cozy. Ask me to describe myself in one word, I'd rather use an emoji. Wanna flex like you don't know me.